Alright guys, we're back at it today. The boy Joe with me. Pops, you know, he's taking a break. Wore him out yesterday. Actually, you know what? Yo, I think I'm gonna wait for this plate. We're gonna disconnect the back first, so it sits on this plate. Okay. And then we just lower the plate, hold the exhaust. Alright. Do tackle first. Do tackle. Cool bean. If you push up, it's come right out. Come on, Joe. There you go. Push that way. Push towards the parents' house, yeah. Holy shit. Bro, we just dropped my whole exhaust. Alright. Get the vlog ready. Oh, this is it. Shit's salted. Alright. So, exhaust is out. This rubber piece and this knob right here. Just pull that out and it comes off. There's a bracket in the middle. I waited till last to do that. And then let me show you down here. So we had to disconnect the flange, and it was pretty hard. So what we did was we used a 1/2 inch ratchet. I think it's a 15 millimeter. Spray some WD-40 on it. Pop right off. And then there's two more rubber pieces right up there. You just got to disconnect them from the rods, and the whole exhaust should just drop right down. So yeah. And then I kept the axle backs. So again, I had a muffler delete. And then. Yeah, so we'll just start putting the new stuff on. Time to work from the headers and come back. I'm gonna go get the stuff. I'm gonna show you guys the whole setup, the OBX. It's pretty nice. Hopefully it all. It's pretty cool. See you, buddy. Ain't no turning back, man. There he goes.
Alright, brother. You know what? I don't know if you got a long wire tie.
Yep. Or alright, so here's the whole OBX exhaust system. Got both headers, all stainless steel. Here's the cat, I guess you say somewhat of a cat. It's pretty much all hollow through there. Can't really see that. So here's the header, and then the cat bolts right up to this. Came with all the bolts and screws, so these two flanges connect. And then the X pipe. This connects to the end of the cat, and then I guess you could say, I don't know, the mid lengths, they connect to the X pipe, and these will connect to the axle backs. So it should all bolt right up. I'm not using the OBX gaskets except for just for the exhaust for right now, but I went and got the factory or the OEM from AC Delco. This is the OBX. It's kind of like paper, it's not that good quality. And then this one's like metal from the AC Delco.
It's up here.
So yeah, we'll get it all bolted up. And I'll take you step by step. Alright, so now we're taking off the O2 sensors from the old manifolds. Using WD-40. Got a special socket. These should just pop right off and go right on the new ones.
Here, put this one in that right side.
But the funny thing is yesterday my O2 sensor code came on, check engine light. So I'm pretty sure one of these are bad. I'm not too sure if it just needs to be adjusted or what. But we'll find out. Came right in, just gotta tighten that up.
So why don't we just get a new O2?
For each bolt, even for the O2 sensors, put a little bit of anti-seize on it.
That should be the hard side.
Just in case you gotta take them back off, or
That's the hard side?
this shouldn't ring off.
Yeah, I think so. That basket.
Alright guys, so we got the header somewhat up in there. That was a struggle. It's kind of got to play with it a little bit. We take it from the bottom. My pop's up top. He's going to get the first bolt started. We're going to hold it up. You got it, Joe?
Yeah, I got her.
So I have one more that was coded. Okay. Gonna have to put
You're joking. You put yeah.
just gonna have to keep really. We're not.
Let me see if I can.
Not lined up yet. You know what I mean? Just keep. Can you come out towards the?
I'm using the same bolts, by the way.
Shit.
What?
We broke that damn sensor right there. God damn it. That's the coolant temperature sensor, I think.
We spoke too early.
Shit.
Does that just come off? Or what? The header's
You
got to
just
be
take
off
a-
to get to it.
Damn. Oh. I think that's a coolant temperature sensor. Might want to run to advance or Napa before we.
What
I never.
God dang. Alright, so if y'all look, you see this? Coolant temperature sensor. Make sure y'all don't bust that clip off, because we busted off. I don't even think we disconnected it. I think it just popped off, broke. Had to go out and get a new one, 25 bucks. Kind of a pain in the butt. But the tab on the gasket just has to be bent. It's like right here up against this sensor. And then it should all line up. Had a little problem getting it lined up. All the bolts in, we just gotta get it tight.
Is it a 15 or 13?
15.
13. I'll tell you what you
Oh,
need.
13. Yeah, 15 was on there. Spark plugs in, putting some anti-seize on them first. Special sauce.
Headers getting hot. They will come out easy, you know what I mean?
Yep.
As long as you don't get them on that end, all you need is just like a little dribble, and boom, it'll spread around.
And we're about to put these spark plug wires in, but we're gonna put some anti-seize on them. My boy Joe over here, he got this whole header in already. Son, what you over here doing? Cranking on them, huh?
Doing it all.
The 13mm ratchet wrench. Side's not too bad so far. I don't know what the easiest side was. I would say
this side.
this side's the easy side. Put the header through, but it's a little tight, as in arm length and everything.
Yeah.
That side just has the steering linkage. That's the biggest. Driver's side has steering linkage. It's probably the biggest problem. Passenger side, it's a little bit tight to work with, but you can get the header in there more easier. All right, guys. So we got the cats bolted up. You can see it's kind of a pain in the butt. We had to use a flex socket. Got it on. Didn't get it too tight because you want to make sure that these can bolt right up. Give it some room. But right now we're bolting on the X pipe.
And then this one in the middle. Just like that. And then This goes right here. This goes like that, and then this is the bolt. Is that?
Alright guys, so the exhaust is up. So header's on. O2 sensors plugged in. Just need that one extension for the upper driver's side. The cat's on right here. Everything's plugged up, everything's tight. I didn't get much video of like the clamps and how they all fit. What we did was, you'll see this pipe has 4 slits in it. And I took a pair of pliers and I bent these pieces out to get it to go over top of the pipe that's connected to the cat. And then it kind of slid in. I actually used the jack to lift this up to kind of put pressure on it. Slid right in, tighten them up. Put this crossbar back up to hold the exhaust. And then I started on here. Got all the bolts in. And then I worked my way to the back. Let me show you that. Alright, so here's the headers. You see what they look like down in there. Not too bad, a little tight fit. Spark plugs, spark plug wires are all plugged back in.
Yeah, what's that gas hand? God damn, what that bitch. That bitch sounds like